Okay, so this is my video explanation for numbers 1, 2, 5, 7, 12, 14, and 18. So basically for number 1 in the question, it gives me a certain few numbers right here. So from that I get my course 294, my variation 11 east, my gyro error 3 east, and then I was able to find my gyro of 297. And from there, since it's less, I mean no, it's west less, I would be subtracting for that. So since it's east, I add. So 297 plus 3 gives me my true course of 300, which is what the question wants me to find. But I just went on to do the rest. So 11 east variation is 289, and then I would subtract 294 and 289 to find my deviation of 5 west. So after that, I have to explain number 2. And basically for number 2, I had to find the buoy, which is here. And then I had to go 1 nautical mile away from it because that's what the question asked. And then basically I had to find the angle for my course angle to get to the next point, which was 270 degrees right here. So the next one will be question number 5. So basically what I did for question number 5 is I took my times, which is 920 and 913. I subtracted, giving me 7. And then basically I multiplied 7 and 12.5 gave me 87.5. And I divided by 60 because of the hours in the minute, giving me 1.458, which I rounded to 1.5 nautical miles. And when I followed this course line, it lands me at this right here, 41 degrees and 41 degrees and 13.2 north, and then 72 degrees 18.7 west. So next would be number 7, which this is just asking me where I am at 0935, and that's my point right here. So basically I don't know if you can see my lines, but if I was to come here and if I was to go across here, my lines would be 41 degrees 11.8 north and 72 degrees and 23 west. So then we come on to number 12, which my GR is 5.2 nautical miles plus 11.8 nautical miles, because I would have to convert it to nautical miles, which gave me 17, and my visibility is 5 nautical miles. So to find my luminous range, what I would do is go to the luminous range chart, and I would basically track 17 and 5, which would give me a luminous range of 9 nautical miles. So that's my luminous range right there. And then to find the time, I have 3.4 divided by 12, which is the knots that we are going, which gives me 0.283, and I multiply that by 60 to give me 17 minutes, which I would add on to my time, which is 10:20, giving me 10:37, my my time of arrival. So for number 14, it was a set and drift, and so this is my point right here. These lines cross paths with my course line, which would be the points that I'm supposed to be at. So these are my sets right here. This right here is my set, and this is where I am right now, which is my drift, which I believe is 2 nautical miles off my point where I'm supposed to be. And then for last question, which is number 18, I had to find the gyro error, I believe, and basically what I did was I just had to subtract 336 minus 334, giving me 2 degrees west.